Like I said, we're going to try and zhuzh up this sauce a little bit. Alright, so I don't need this anymore. I am going to put this over the sink. Turn the oven on. Somebody's listening to some bumping music out there. Probably should have put a little less butter in there. But we have 3 boobs to make, so. She knocked on the fridge and said, "You're probably wondering why Rita knocked on the fridge. It's because there might be salad dressing." 2 fish in a tank, one says to the other, "How do you drive this thing?" Oh, I love you guys. But seriously, like in the title says, you always put a smile on my face, and I greatly appreciate it. Call a beehive without an exit unbelievable. Guy walked into a bar. Yep. Hydrate, yes, because I haven't done that. Oh, we didn't do our thing at the beginning either. Oh man, I'm so used to the missus being out here. Where's green? What's green and smells like pork? Oh Lord, I don't know. Give yourself a high five, fist bump, pat on the back, whatever you need to put a smile on your face. Because if we're not doing it right now, I don't know what will. Cheers. Kermit's fingers. Oh my God. Oh my God, Brian. You guys are terrible. Terrible. But then you're my kind of terrible. You guys are my kind of terrible. Boobies, yep, here we go. You guys are baking me crazy. All right, so leave that go. Leave that go. Get these onions going. Rizzle quizzle. So we put a little bit of olive oil. I might put a little bit more olive oil in here. So with the garlic infused, we actually have a machine that will infuse all the stuff, the garlics and everything. I want to start doing more, like with fresh herbs or dry herbs and stuff like that, like rosemary, thyme, sage, those kinds of things. I want to do a jalapeno infused one too. You skipped the joke. Oh, what kind of bees make milk? Boobies. Oh God. Boobies, yeah. Don't ban me. Wise Fox News and Gambling have in common. They both use the Trump. Well, we'll leave that one go, but I'll let you have that one. I'll let you have that one, sir. I'll let you have that one, Nico. Getting a dehydrator machine. Have you ever used one? I have not. Do you follow Kanara? Do you follow Kanara prior? If not, you should. I know she uses a dehydrator. I think she just used it recently for like apples and stuff. 2 blondes are walking in the wood. First one steps and says, "Look at those moose tracks." The other one, blonde, says, "Those are definitely deer tracks." They're still arguing when the train at them. Oh my God. Yeah, Kanara. Can we get, thanks, Schwan. Yeah, follow Kanara. And if you get into her Discord, I think she has a thing in there, in her Discord, a channel. She is a food safety and food preservationist. I think that's how it goes. So she would be the one to do that, to help you with that one. Kanara's